Imagine yourself feeling the wind whip through your hair as you soar through the clouds, not on a plane, but on a board. Get ready, because today's video is packed with futuristic innovations that will blow your mind. We'll be exploring spaceships that land like a dream, trucks that run on clean energy, and habitats that unfold like origami for space colonists. From flying surfboards and mind-bending drones to solar solutions that will revolutionize agriculture, the future is here. So hit that subscribe button and let's take a glimpse into the incredible world of tomorrow. Sierra Space's Dream Chaser Tenacity is a revolutionary spacecraft designed to protect scientific experiments. Unlike capsules that burn up on landing, Tenacity lands smoothly on a runway, just like the space shuttle. This innovative approach ensures the survival of delicate research conducted in zero gravity. But Tenacity's advantages go beyond landing. It uses a relatively non-toxic fuel, allowing for safe and immediate access to the cargo bay after landing. This is crucial for retrieving valuable samples and ensuring mission success. Designed for reusability with a minimum of 15 flights, Tenacity offers a sustainable and cost-effective solution. It can even fly unmanned, making it ideal for various space missions. Imagine a truck with zero emissions that refills in minutes and can be customized for any job. Meet the Avatar, a revolutionary new fuel cell EV truck from Shockland. This Indian innovation ditches gas for hydrogen, creating electricity through a clean reaction with oxygen. Refueling is a breeze. Simply swap out the hydrogen element at specialized stations, just like changing a battery. But the Avatar's real power lies in its modular design. The wheelbase adjusts to your needs, transforming it from a nimble city howler to a heavy-duty off-road beast. It is a single truck with endless possibilities. Is the future of trucking green and modular? The Avatar suggests it might just be. Elon Musk has led for so long when it comes to colonizing other planets, but how will he or you and I live there? Saga Space Architects answers that with Lunark, a revolutionary foldable habitat inspired by origami. This aluminum marvel minimizes transport costs by folding into a compact package for space shuttles. Within a day, Lunark unfolds into a comfortable living area for two with essential furniture, a toilet, and appliances. Sustainability is a priority. Solar panels power the habitat, and a waste processing system protects the new world within it. Lunark goes beyond just being a home. It boasts a built-in 3D printer, allowing colonists to fix minor equipment breakdowns, ensuring a smooth operations while in space. Lunark represents a significant leap forward in space exploration. This practical design with a focus on space-saving, sustainability, and self-sufficiency might be the way for humanity to establish a permanent presence on another planet. Imagine feeling the wind whip through your hair as you soar thousands of feet above the ground, not on a plane, but on a board. Whip Aviation's Wing board takes wakeboarding to a whole new level, trading waves for the open sky. This isn't your average surfboard. Made from high-tech carbon fiber and equipped with flaps and stabilizers, the wingboard lets you carve through the clouds like a pro. Strap in with bindings similar to a snowboard, grab the handlebars, and prepare for the ultimate adrenaline rush. Whip Aviation has already tested the wingboard in wind tunnels, reaching speeds of up to 75 mph, but the real test is coming soon, taking flight and redefining what it means to ride the wind. The innovative YogaBook 9i from Lenovo takes the concept of a 2-in-1 laptop to a new level. This unique device boasts two 13.3-inch OLED displays, offering increased flexibility for users who spend extended periods working on their laptops. This laptop shines in its versatility. In its base configuration, one screen replaces the traditional keyboard with virtual keys and a touchpad. This allows users to work in a comfortable position for extended periods. However, Lenovo understands the need for a physical keyboard, so the YogaBook 9i also includes a Bluetooth keyboard that magnetically attaches to the lower display. While this covers 2/3 of the screen, the remaining space can still be used for displaying Windows widgets or other tools. Finally, The two displays can be positioned on top of each other or side by side to suit the user's preference. This level of customization makes the YogaBook 9i a compelling option for those seeking a truly versatile laptop experience. The Lite Phone 2 from Lite offers a refreshingly simple approach to staying connected. Designed to combat social media addiction, this phone focuses on the essentials. Make calls, send messages, manage your schedule, jot down notes, and set alarms. That's all you'll find on the Lite Phone 2. Even third-party apps like Google Maps, Spotify, Uber, and Lyft are included with limitations. On Spotify, for example, you can download playlists but won't have access to the entire music library. The Lite Phone 2 prioritizes practicality. Its compact size, barely larger than a credit card, and a 2.84-inch display make it highly portable. A single charge lasts for 5 days in standby mode or several hours of talk time, letting you stay connected without constant recharging. This phone is ideal for those seeking a digital detox or simply wanting a simpler way to stay in touch. Imagine growing crops while generating clean energy. Insolite's Insole Grin is making this a reality. This innovative solar setup uses semi-transparent panels that track the sun, acting as smart shade for crops. This optimizes plant growth by providing the perfect balance of sunlight and protection. But Insole Grin goes beyond sun tracking. The panels adjust based on the season, mitigating the harsh effects of summer heat on crops. The result? Higher quality produce. And that's not all. A portion of the sunlight hitting the panels is converted into clean electricity, powering the system itself. With Insole Grin, farms can cultivate crops and generate renewable energy, creating a sustainable path for the future of agriculture. The American company Revolut Robotics has unveiled a revolutionary drone, the Hybrid Mobility Robot, or HMR. This versatile machine defies limitations, transforming from a rolling sphere to a flying quadcopter. When operating on low power, the HMR utilizes its propellers to roll effortlessly across the ground like a ball. This maneuverability comes in handy for navigating tight spaces or conserving energy. However, when faced with obstacles or the need for speed, the HMR seamlessly transitions to flight mode. Its spherical body offers exceptional durability, protecting the drone from bumps and tumbles during both ground operations and aerial landings. This unique design makes the HMR a valuable tool for various industries. Municipal services can leverage its inspection capabilities, while mining and construction companies can utilize it for tasks like road paving and exploring hard-to-reach areas. Forget about forklifts. Ruthman's innovative RCP-75 cargo loader streamlines the loading process for warehouses with high foundations. This transformer-like vehicle solves a common challenge, quickly adjusting to different loading dock heights. The RCP-75 boasts a hydraulic platform that lifts its entire cargo bed up to 5.2 feet in mere seconds. This allows for effortless loading and unloading of goods, regardless of the warehouse's foundation level. But the RCP-75's strengths go beyond height adjustment. This versatile vehicle can handle up to 3.2 tons of cargo, making it ideal for transporting a wide range of products, from groceries and furniture to industrial supplies. Additionally, its modular design allows for customization based on specific needs, with detachable bodies and configurable options. This next innovation is for all adventurers. Perret has unveiled the Maverick Lite, a compact single-seat powered paraglider designed for easy transport and effortless enjoyment. Imagine fitting your paragliding gear in your car trunk. The Maverick Lite folds up into a convenient bag, ready to be assembled on-site in just 7 minutes, engine included. No special tools required. You can get airborne solo in no time. This versatile paraglider adapts to your needs. Whether you're a leisure flyer seeking serene landscapes or a skilled pilot craving dynamic maneuvers, the Maverick Lite can be configured accordingly. Enjoy slow, peaceful cruises or push the limits with the help of the powerful engine. Weighing only 83 libs and priced at $3,650, the Maverick Lite makes powered paragliding more accessible than ever. Airstream's EAM concept reimagines recreational vehicle travel with a focus on comfort, sustainability, and technology. This futuristic electric mobile home boasts its own electric transmission, reducing strain on the towing vehicle and even allowing for independent low-speed maneuvering via smartphone control. Solar panels on the roof provide clean energy, and the EAM can be charged from regular outlets for extended journeys. Inside, the EAM offers a luxurious living space with furniture, sleeping areas, a fully equipped bathroom with a hydro massage shower, and a range of modern conveniences like a TV, stove, microwave, fridge, and voice-activated controls. The EAM concept paves the way for a future of eco-friendly recreational vehicle adventures that combine comfort and innovation. And there you have it, the latest innovations that are changing our world. We hope this glimpse into the future of technology has sparked your imagination. From spaceships with smooth landings to eco-friendly homes in space, the possibilities seem endless. What innovations resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting tech explorations in the future. Thank you for watching.